Welcome to my channel. Today we will make broken wheat pongal. This is the chamba wheat, which is a broken wheat. I have taken half a cup of chamba wheat, and to this I have added quarter cup of moong dal. Moong dal and this wheat make a real good pongal because it is very tasty and it is also very healthy. We will make this in a pressure cooker. I have added 2 spoons of oil to the pressure cooker. Wash the dal and wheat 2 to 3 times. Drain the water, and when the oil is hot, add the dal and wheat to it and fry for about 5 minutes. Keep the flame on medium and fry, because only when you fry it well and dal and wheat change color slightly, it will be tasty. So fry it well until you get a good aroma from the frying dal and wheat. Now add about 3 times the water of the dal and wheat. I have taken half a cup of wheat and quarter cup of dal. To this I have added 2.5 cups of water. This will be correct for the pongal. It will cook well in this water. I have added half a teaspoon of salt. You may add salt as per your taste, and add half a teaspoon of asafoetida to it. This will give real good flavor to the pongal, and it's really good for the pongal. I have added about 20 to 30 grams of butter. If you do not use butter, you may avoid it. Adding butter to this gives a very good texture to the pongal, and it also tastes very good. So you may add butter if you wish. So mix well and cover it with the lid. I have placed a kitchen tissue to the lid. I have moistened it. I have put little water and just pressed it over the lid so that it doesn't get burnt in the flame. By this you can avoid the water spraying out or spilling out. If you do not have a tissue, you may also use a wet cloth. Do not use a dry cloth, use a wet cloth around it, so then the water will be absorbed and it will not spill out. I have taken a big piece of ginger and peeled it. Adding a lot of ginger to this will be very tasty. I have also taken some curry leaves to it. Now cut the ginger to fine pieces. After 3 whistles, the dal and wheat are well cooked. This is very good for health. This chamba wheat is really very good for health. It is rich in fiber and protein. I have added 2 teaspoons of ghee. If you do not use ghee, you may add oil also, or you may add oil and ghee together. Once the oil is hot, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. I have crushed half a teaspoon of black pepper and added it to it. If you add the black pepper as a whole, then most of the time it is discarded. So just to avoid wasting the black pepper, I have crushed it, and that also gives extra taste to the pongal. When the cumin splutter, add the ginger and curry leaves to it. Fry for a minute. I have added cashews. If you like to use cashews, you may add it. Adding cashews also is very tasty. So it is up to you to add cashews. Now add the seasoning to the pongal. This is very, very tasty. The chamba wheat is rich in fiber and rich in protein, so it is really very good for health. It does not taste like wheat. It will be very tasty, and this is very good for the diabetic people, it is really very good. It's a whole meal for them. Anyone can eat it, even children can eat it. They will also like it. So make this wheat pongal, and do not forget to comment. Your comment is very important. Only then it will be encouraging for me. And also please subscribe. Those who have not subscribed are welcome to subscribe. By subscribing, you will be encouraging, and it's a great support to the channel. So please subscribe without fail, and watch the videos and like the videos, and do not forget to comment and let me know how it was and how you like these recipes, so that it will be encouraging for me to give many more recipes. Let's meet in the next video.